Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Michael Ondas, Director of F-119 Programs and Customer Support. On behalf of Pratt Whitney, I'm honored to welcome you here for this historic occasion, the delivery of the 507th and final F-119 engine. I'd like to take a moment to recognize several distinguished guests who have joined us here today. We're delighted to welcome Jeff Babione and the Lockheed Martin team. We're also pleased to welcome Dale Hartz, Gary Grimsby, and the Boeing team. We're joined here today by Captain Michael Bolio and Pat McMahon and the DCMA team. We'd like to extend a special welcome to the men and women from the F-22 program, F-119 Systems Program Office, and the U.S. Air Force, including Colonel Greg Gutterman, Mr. Kim High, Colonel Kevin Fessler, and Major Stephen Parks. We're delighted to welcome back some familiar faces to Pratt & Whitney. Dan Tennant, former F-119 product line manager, Dave Ware, former vice president and general counsel for Military Engines, Rich Marco, former industrial manager, Frank Gillette, the father of the F-119 engine, and Tom Farmer, former president of Pratt & Whitney Military Engines. We're also joined by many Pratt & Whitney employees who are watching today's ceremony via video feed from conference rooms at our East Hartford, Connecticut, and North Berwick, Maine facilities. Not to mention the many team members who are watching the ceremony from F-22 field locations around the country. For those who cannot attend today's ceremony, we'll ensure the video will be made available on the Pratt & Whitney website. This is a bittersweet day. We've completed the production run on the remarkable F-119 engine that's powering the fifth-generation fighter, the F-22 Raptor. This engine, along with 506 previous engines, is a testament to countless skilled Pratt & Whitney employees who have dedicated to providing the U.S. Air Force with a truly dependable engine. From conceptual design to development and then through production of this, the final engine, every individual that had a part in fielding the F-119 can take great pride in knowing that their skill and know-how helped bring about the aircraft whose capabilities are truly unrivaled in the history of air power. As you all know, the F-22 is the nation's most capable fighter and the world's first operational fifth-generation fighter aircraft. It was built for air dominance and provides the U.S. Air Force with an unfair advantage in the skies against potential adversaries. As a fifth-generation fighter, the F-22 utilizes low observable technologies to enable its stealth characteristics. Its avionics, integrated ISR, and electronic warfare capabilities enhance its survivability and lethality over the battle space. Here at Pratt & Whitney, we're particularly proud of the capabilities of the F-119 engines, which give the Raptor unmatched maneuverability thanks to the innovative thrust vectoring technology and the ability to supercruise. There are many talented people here who have worked behind the scenes over many years to ensure the success of the F-22. While we can't possibly recall every story, we would like to share with you a short video which features a few of the many faces and voices of the people here at Pratt & Whitney who have helped to bring about today's achievement. Following the video, we will hear from a former F-119 program director and our current president of Pratt & Whitney Military Engines, Bennett Croswell. Following Bennett's remarks, I'll return to give a brief introduction of our two U.S. Air Force speakers, Colonel Greg Gutterman, F-22 Program Director, and Colonel Kevin Fessler, Commander of the 414th Fighter Group at Seymour Johnson Air Force Base.